In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Shopify theme, a crucial step in creating an appealing and professional online store. Let's dive in and explore the process step by step. When you start on your Shopify homepage, you'll want to navigate to the left side of the screen where you'll find a menu. Among these options, look for Online Store. It's here where most of your store's appearance and functionality can be customized, so it's a great starting point for those new to Shopify. Once you're on the Online Store section, you'll notice an option for Themes. Click on this. This section is vital because themes decide how your store looks and feels to first-time visitors. Essentially, it's your store's first impression, so it's crucial to get it right. Don't worry though, Shopify has made it easy to browse a wide selection. As you scroll through the Themes section, you'll find various options featuring profession-ready designs. This is where you can truly start visualizing how you'd like your store to appear. Pay attention to the demo previews to get a real sense of each theme's potential. Next, look for the option that says, Visit Theme Store. Clicking this will open up a new window, taking you to Shopify's vast library of themes. Shopify offers both free and paid themes, so there's something for every budget and brand style. In this theme store, you'll find a range of design options crafted to suit different types of businesses, from fashion and arts to electronics and more. Take your time to browse through these options. It's important to select a theme that not only aligns with your brand's aesthetic, but also offers the functionalities you need to give your customers the best shopping experience. If you're looking for something specific or have a certain style in mind, you can easily find it by using the search bar at the top of the theme store. This is a great tool for filtering themes based on needs like the industry type or specific visual elements you might want. And that's essentially it. By following these steps, you will have successfully navigated through Shopify's theme options and learned how to set the stage for your store's visual impact. Remember, a well-chosen theme supports your brand's identity and can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience. So take your time, explore your options, and pick a theme that truly resonates with your vision. Happy designing, and may your online store captivate and inspire your audience.